Emergency has been dispatched. Ambulance has been dispatched. 911 has been called. Help is here. So a hit and run of a car, black SUV. So car is over there, towards east. It stopped. It's blown. So 911 is already here.
Move to the side. Stay back. Stay back.
Help is here. There's a baby over there. Baby over under the truck.
More back.
Oh my days. Oh, driver is gone. The driver is gone. It's an Audi.
We need to clear this block, okay?
How do you get out of here, okay, please? Other way.